Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt bigger using these 3 steps. The first thing you do, cut open your shirt on the side seams. It should look like this now. The next step, you're going to want to cut 2 triangle pieces from a shirt you don't want anymore, and be sure that the hem is at the bottom of your triangle, like the finished edge I mean. I cut 2 triangle pieces at the same time by folding this shirt like this. The last step, we're going to pin those triangles we just cut in the holes that we made. Do your best to line up the bottom hem, and sew. I use spray starch on the edges so I could work with it easier. That's all you have to do to make your t-shirts bigger. I hope this video helps you, and if you like transformation videos and sewing videos, please like and subscribe.